Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to tackle a very common question. What version should I get of Parashara's Lite, a Mac or a PC? By the time you're listening to this, you may have already purchased Parashara's Lite, and if so, great. But if you're still deciding or just want to understand the options, this quick overview will help. The short answer, it really just depends on two things: what you're comfortable using and what kind of computer you already have. Here's the good news. Parashara's Lite is one of the very few, if only, Vedic astrology software programs that offers native versions for both a Mac and a PC. So for a Mac, you don't have to install Parallels, Boot Camp, or any other emulator to get it working. The installation process is straightforward on both systems, which means less tech stress and more time to dive into the charts. If you're a PC user, the Windows version is solid, stable, and has been around a long time, so it's well tested and supported. If you're a Mac user, the Mac version is equally user-friendly. And again, no extra configuration or workarounds needed. Just install and go. One quick note about the versions. At the time of this recording, I am using Parashara's Lite 9.0. So if you are using an earlier version like version 8, the interface looks a little different, but the core functionality is the same. You'll be able to access the same calculations, charts, and tools that we'll be exploring throughout this course. So back to the Mac and PC question. Think about what operating system you're most comfortable, what device you already have, and think about what device will you be consistently using for your astrology work. Stick with what you already know, and that way your confidence will surge. And this alone will help you start strong. So I hope this was helpful in any of your decision-making processes. Thank you.